as the leaves slowly begin to accumulate on the ground. A time comes when the colors of nature change and the air cools down in the village. The magic of autumn begins in this season, in the streets, fields, and mountains of the villages. With the arrival of autumn, the village seems to take a new breath. Moments when the earth is tired and the heat of summer come to an end, and nature comes to life with the gentle touches of autumn. Leaves dancing with the colors of autumn in every corner, every tree, and every garden in front of the houses enchant people. Those working in the fields in the village experience the final moments of harvest. Autumn shows the productivity of the soil. The earth fills with the products it yields, and a happiness, a peace appears on the faces of the villagers. After long efforts, farmers carry the pride of experiencing the harvest time within them. In this season, the streets of villages overflow with the sounds of tractors and cars in the early hours of the morning. Those sitting in the village cafe feel the cool breeze brought by autumn. With a cup of tea, they share memories of days gone by. Autumn is a season where friendships, conversations, and memories of old times revive within the walls of the village cafe. As nature slowly turns yellow, red, and orange, the trees in front of the houses in the village also blend with these colors. The light dance of the leaves with the gentle breeze presents a dazzling scene, as if painted by an artist's brush. With the arrival of autumn in the village, animals should also be prepared. Sheep and goats, herds of cattle, set off towards the mountains to search for food in preparation for winter. Vegetables grown in the gardens of the village wait to enjoy the taste of autumn. Vegetables like turnips, carrots, and beets grow with the fertility of the soil, adorning the tables of the villagers. Autumn heralds a change in the village. As nature prepares for winter, people are also in the hustle and bustle of adapting to a new period. However, despite everything, the people in the village welcome autumn as a gift, because autumn is a part of the cycle of life and an indispensable part of village life. With autumn, the village becomes a symbol of freshness and peace. In this season full of the beauties offered by nature, villagers reminisce about the memories of the past and look hopefully towards the future. The magic of autumn envelops everyone in the village and draws them in, offering an opportunity to experience all the colors of nature and life.